Fix it step by step. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the Finals official Twitter, Discord/status page. Sometimes TFGE0001 shows up when servers are under maintenance or overloaded. If servers are online, move on to fixes. Step 2. Restart network. 1. Restart router plus PC console. 2. Use wired Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi for stability. 3. If using Wi-Fi, switch to 5 GHz band. Step 3. Flush DNS and reset connection. Open command prompt admin and type "You can see the code in our conversation history," then restart PC. Step 4. Change DNS. Google DNS 8.8.8/8.4.4, Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1.1.0.1. This can fix routing issues to Embark servers. Step 5. Allow through firewall and antivirus. Add the finals.exe plus easyanticheat.exe as exceptions in Windows Firewall and Antivirus. If using a third-party firewall like Avast, Kaspersky, whitelist the game. Step 6. Disable VPN proxy or try one. If you're on a VPN, turn it off. If your ISP blocks routes, try a VPN near your game region. Step 7. Port forwarding advanced. Open these ports on your router for smoother matchmaking. UDP 7000 to 9000, 27015 to 27030, TCP 27014, 27058. Step 8, repair Easy Anti-Cheat. Go to the Finals installation folder, Easy Anti-Cheat. Run Easy Anti-Cheat setup.exe, repair service. If nothing works, it's most likely a server-side issue and you'll need to wait until Embark fixes it.